Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. I am absolutely thrilled to be hosting someone from Nigeria on this remarkable journey that is starting right here at Aberdeen Dyce Airport. I cannot wait to showcase the adventure with you all during this outstanding experience. So, here I am, arriving at the airport car park. I recommend to you all that you always keep some extra cash on hand in case you find yourself in need of parking. It's just one of those small things which can lead to a little smoother departure for you. Once you've entered the terminal building, you can feel the energy building up as well. I'm on my way directly to the self-check-in kiosks. It's always a wonderful feeling when everything can be processed quickly, with your boarding pass and checked baggage tags being printed out just as soon as you need them. A quick stop at the baggage scales to make sure everything is well within the necessary limits. And then it's off to check my bags. So far, everything is going according to plan. Following that, we have the security screening process, which has been rather effortless today. Each time, it feels great when that part of the journey moves on smoothly, so that you have more time to prepare for the following flight. Now, it is time for a little walk through the duty-free shops. It might seem tempting, but my focus is to get to the departure gate as soon as possible. The excitement is already really starting to build up for me. I'm off to catch a flight to London Heathrow, and from there, I'll be traveling to Nigeria. This trip has been long awaited by me, and the thought of being finally on my way to this amazing destination is truly incredible. There's a unique kind of excitement that comes along with traveling, a feeling that opens doors to new and exciting experiences that are waiting just around the corner. It's all about the journey, more than the destination, and I feel so fortunate to have you all in my corner to share this adventure with me. A huge thank you for being here with me to embark on this small airport journey. I'm preparing to catch my flight and really begin this incredible experience. If you enjoyed following along, please have a heartfelt consider following for even more adventure-making escapades.